Are BMW wheel spacers safe?
BMW 5 Series and i5 wheel spacers are exactly safe. They're mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any wheel spacers installed. Installed BMW hub-centric wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the wheel bolt can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. BMW 5 Series and i5 wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy. But remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional wheel spacers, forged aluminum wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are aggressive and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of BONOSS BMW wheel spacers is the lightweight plus and the FT cooling. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption, and improving handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS BMW FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously nurture the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. So the high-quality BMW 5 Series and i5 wheel spacers are safe as long as we install them correctly.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.